Welcome to the Priority All Call Group walkthrough. This chat is the organization's default channel. It's designed to ensure seamless communication between everyone, making it the go-to channel for high-priority messages. Every member is added to this channel when they join the organization. To make it easier to find, be sure to pin this channel in your app. The Priority All Call Group is highly versatile. You can send PTTs, PTVs, text messages, and even files to the entire organization. You can also use splash alerts to send urgent notifications to every member at the same time, ideal for emergencies or critical updates. One important thing to note, if you switch to another conversation or group, the app will automatically return you to the Priority All Call Group after 7 seconds. This feature ensures you never miss out on important updates or calls. With the Priority All Call Group, staying connected and informed has never been easier. Make it part of your daily communication routine.